Good afternoon, guys. Today I'd like to introduce a big machine to you. Before we start, I have one question. What's the maximum of the seats that you used? For example, 2 by 3 meters, 2 by 4 meters, or more big. Last month we have one customer from Russia. He asked us 2 by 6 meters CNC machine. After both sides discussed, we make such special machine for him. We can see the machine control system. It is Taiwan brand Yinfeng. It supports English and Chinese two languages. We can see inside it will have one machine working. It will very stable. And this is pop-up piece. When you have many working pieces needed to do, it will help you a lot at saving time and replacing. Here is the machine motor. We can see it's from Japan and it's Yaskawa servo motor. It's Italy FSD brand. This one is two cylinder. By it, we can automatically set up the tooth length. Here is 12 tooth magazine automatic tool changing. And here is the vacuum table. We can see the vacuum table thickness and the structure. Now let us see its amazing works. Thanks for your time. For more information, please visit our website or go our Alibaba shop, AliExpress shop. Please order online. Get 100% assurance in payment and machine quality.